23 years ago, I attended my first demonstration of SolidWorks, and it was like I knew that I was really seeing the future.
At Omax, we make abrasive water jet equipment.
Utilize ultra-high pressure water, cut through just about any material that you can think of.
So SolidWorks is our design platform for all of our mechanical design and a little bit of our electrical design. It's a strong, powerful tool that we use every day. From small machine shops to Fortune 500 companies, our technology has evolved in trying to support the diverse customer base and trying to make the machines easier and easier to use.
SolidWorks is very prevalent in product design. It's the same tool we use for new engineers, people coming to the company. They learn the software very easily.
Within a day, you're productive right out of the gate.
It's been one of the fun things about working here, getting to feel like the technology is really interesting.
Thanks to SolidWorks, we're able to rapidly reuse machine data, part configurations. In terms of SolidWorks and Omax in the future, well, we're certainly not going anywhere away from one another.
Looking forward to the continued advances in technology that we get from SolidWorks to help us advance our technology.
Interactive models using augmented reality, identifying part numbers and components on the machines, so we see a lot of potential.
Events like 3D Experience World are the ultimate opportunity for a person to immerse themselves in the culture, in the learning, new technologies, new procedures, new vendors. It helps instill and inspire, a greater level of enthusiasm for the use of the software. Now, what I see in X Design and the 3D Experience platform has me just as much excited today as I was 23 years ago when I first saw SolidWorks.